All right, guys, now we have a beautiful 2022 Mercedes C-Class. Honestly, Mercedes, guys, has always been one of the best brands that you can get. What becomes, luxury. But now, it's just, they went overboard, guys. Look at those wheels. Super nice wheels. And this is regular C300. It's not AMG package, stuff like that, so far that I know. Look at this interior, guys. Look at this beautiful interior. Anyways, this one we did pretty much 5% complete with our carbon film. It's a full lifetime warranty as well. All the films that we use is a lifetime. The only ones that are not going to give you a lifetime, guys, is dye-based films. Dye-based films, because it's a dye-based, dye film. It's kind of like wearing a black shirt every day. So eventually these films, after a while, they turn purple. And after a while, you start already bubbling and stuff like that. So something that I want you guys to know, when we talk about lifetime warranty, guys, is as long as you have your car, pretty much you're covered 100%. Now, films are made to give you a really good 10, 15 years. Depends how you take care of your car. But regardless, with the manufacturers, guys, you will be covered no matter what. So you have a warranty, as long as you have your paperwork, you will be covered 100%. All right, guys, but that's the difference. What becomes, different grades of films. If you guys want to learn more, you guys can follow our website or, Instagram as well, TikTok. We're trying to always upload videos, different stuff. Kind of educate customers what becomes window tint, guys. But look at this thing, man. It's really, really nice. The interiors and this Mercedes, man, it's just unbelievable how beautiful they are, guys. All right, well, if any question, give us a call. Shop number is 909-570-9954, guys. Thank you.